Normally with the icebreakers, I check which one they already did on the student orientation, because then they probably already did one. Many times they interview each other and then they have to introduce that person to the rest of the group. And I check with the other teachers what they do as well, because there are a lot of different icebreakers, so I don't want to do the same one again. So that really depends on which one I do and also which class that I give. So with speaking and listening English, I really focus on that they speak and that they have to listen to each other, to their answers. I think I did riddle me a giggle. Sure.
So how does that game work?
So that didn't work that well. If I gave easy sentences, they just had it correct. And if I gave them a little bit more difficult, then they looked at me and then they like had no idea. So that was that didn't really work. Then I had sort of a bingo sheet that they had to get full. They had to write on. You have to ask a question to each one. You can only write a name once, and you have to go around to ask different questions like, have you ever been to Ba'an? Have you ever been abroad? So questions focus on Myanmar and on their experiences. That worked well because they had to go around the room. They got to know different things from different persons. And let me think, I did another one. Not sure which other one I did. But yeah, Riddle Me a Giggle was not a great success.
That one didn't work.
I think that for term 2 that would work better, but not for